Abdurrahim Khan from Free IT Education. Viewers, today we're going to learn about how to join two sets. We were already having lectures about the sets. So without any further delay, we're going to learn about how to do various other methods in sets. The first thing we're going to learn is about joining two sets. So here we got set 1 and here we got set 2. So set 1 element, as you can see, ABC. Set 2 element is 1, 2, 3. I want to join just set element of set 2, which is 1, 2, 3, with this, and then save that into another set is called set 3. And as you can see that all the elements of both the sets are now in set 3. Okay, so that is the function is called union. So there's another way to join two sets, which is you got two sets, and this time what we're going to do, we got set 1, and then we're going to get the element of set 2, and we just basically updating set 1, and then when we get the print the set 1, and it will see you will have all the elements of set 2 in set 1. So if I add one more element and rerun it, so it should update the set, and now set 1 will have one more element of set 2, which is number 4. Okay, so you can use union and update. Okay, so sometime you have a requirement in your Python programming. You want to know to just find it out all those atoms which exist in both set. So here we got two sets. So where we got apple, banana, and cherry, and another set we got Google, Microsoft, and Apple. So I want to know in those two sets which elements are common in both the sets. So this is basically the principle or the mathematic function of about the set, where you say intersection. So this is the built-in function called intersection update, which is saying that in set X, which is this, I want to know which element or which items are common in set Y. And you can see that only apple is in common. So let's say if I remove apple and add a cherry in it and rerun it, so this should give me a cherry back as a common element which is in set Y. Okay, so intersection update is the function that you need to understand. So another function is called intersection. So what we want to do this time, the same two sets, but this time what we're saying that in set X intersection with Y, which is saying that intersect, which is finding common element in both items, and then save, create a set and save that into Z, and Z is a set. If you want to know, so you can use, as you remember, we use a function called type, and it should return the data type of Z should be a set. Okay, so this is something you can do that. So this another one is a function we learn in the set is called symmetric difference update, which is a method which will keep only the elements that are not present in both sets, which means that give me all those elements which are not common. So in the previous we learned apple was common, so which was just the intersection. Now this time we are interested, give me all the elements which are not common. So banana is here, not here, cherry is here, not here, and then these are the 4 elements which are the symmetric difference updates. So these mean give me all those elements which are not common in both the sets. So you can use this function if you have a requirement in Python programming where you are interested to get all those elements in the sets which are not common. So symmetric difference update. Okay. Another function we're going to use is called symmetric difference, which is saying that is this most similar, but this time is returning as a set, which is Z. So we're saying symmetric difference, which is saying that in set X, which is these elements, and symmetric difference in set Y, which are these elements, give me all those elements which are not common in both of them. So Apple is common, so that has been excluded. Only banana, cherry, Google, and Microsoft. Okay, so that is another way to do symmetric difference. So another one, few more things we're gonna learn about here is subset. So in this time, we're gonna say that set X has A, B, C, and Y has got an element of A, B, and C. So we gonna say that is X a subset of Y, which means right. Does all the element of X exist in Y? If it is, then return that into variable Z, and this will be in terms of true and false. Okay, so this is another function called is subset. Okay. Another thing we're gonna use is called is superset. Okay, it means that returns true if all items set Y are present in set X. So here we got A, B, C, and here we got a set X. So set X has got all the element of set Y. So we are saying that we are asking, is set X is superset of Y or not? If it is, then return true. So let's say if we put it into Q and run it, and want to see that if Y is still if X is a still superset of Y, which is not, because all the elements are not present, Q is not present. So this is another method which you can use if you are interested to do that. So I hope you have enjoyed this lecture. Please let me know how you are getting on with this lecture. Leave your comments and questions. Share this video with your friends and subscribe to Free IT Education for more videos to come. Till then, bye for now.